Hello everyone, I'm Geeta Khatri. Welcome back to LearnAtScholar. I'm back with your chapter Fractions and Decimals. This is the second part. Students, I am covering your whole chapter in episodes. If I cover the whole chapter with all the exercises, the video will be very lengthy. So, I am covering this chapter in parts. If you want to watch the whole chapter, you have to subscribe the channel and hit the bell and press all to receive updates or notification of the uploaded videos. I have covered exercises 2.1 and 2.2 in a separate video. Link is given in the description box. Go in the description, click on the links and watch that video. And after that, watch this video with exercises 2.3 and 2.4. Watch the whole video till the end, then you will be asked a few questions. These are the important exam questions. These type of problem sums you will get in your examination. So after solving this, you will be able to know whether you have understood the concept well or not. Apart from this, there are practice sums given on the website. The link is again given in the description box. First of all, I am solving all the important examination questions that I gave you in the last video. Here is the solution. The first question was to solve 3 2 by 5 plus 7 4 by 8. So first of all, we will solve the first part of the first question. Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction first. 5 into 3 is 15 and 15 plus 2 is 17. So 17 by 5. 7 8 ja 56, 56 plus 4 is 60, 60 by 8. Now we will find the LCM of 8 and 5, which is 40. 5 8 ja 40 and 17 8 ja 136. 8 5 ja 40 and 5 60 ja 300. We will add both these and find 436 upon 40. Dividing by 2. 218 upon 20, again dividing by 2, we will get 109 upon 10. This is an improper fraction, change into mixed fraction. The final answer is 10 9 by 10. Now the second one, 6 1 by 8 minus 3 2 by 9. First of all, we will convert into improper fraction. 49 by 8 minus 29 by 9. Now the LCM of 9 and 8 is 9 8 ja 72. We cannot divide it further because 9 and 8 do not come in one table. So 8 9 ja 72. Now we will multiply 49 and 9 and we will get 441. 9 8 ja 72. So we will multiply 29 and 8 and we will get 232. Here I am explaining a little. As 8 9 ja 72. So we will multiply 49 and 9 as 8 9 ja 72. So we will multiply 9 with 49 to get 441. Subtracting 232 from 441, we get 209, that means 209 upon 72. Converting into mixed fraction, 265 by 72. This is the second answer, 265 by 72. Hope you all know how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. If not, you can browse in the shorts section and find that video where you will be able to understand how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now 2 by 5 of 12 of means multiplication. So 2 by 5 into 12 is equal to 24 by 5. In mixed fraction it is 4 by 5. We divide 24 by 5 and we get 4 by 5. Half of 3 1 by 8. 3 1 by 8 is equal to 8 3 ja 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So 25 by 8. Of means multiplication. So 1 by 2 multiply 25 by 8. So 25 by 16. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction and we will get 9 by 16. So this is the final answer. Okay. Question number 3. Mohan has 64 kgs of wheat and 36 kgs of bajra. He shared 2 by 5, that means 2 by 5th part of the total grains with his brother Somesh. So Mohan has a total of 64 plus 36 is equal to 100 kgs of grains, of which he shared 2 by 5th part with his brother Somesh. So 2 by 5 of 100 is the amount that Somesh is getting. Five two ja 10, 0. 2 2 ja 4, 40 kgs. That means Somesh is getting 40 kgs and total was 100 kgs. So what amount is Mohan getting? Obviously 100 minus 40 is equal to 60 kgs. So we have to tell the amount and the fraction that Mohan is left with. This is a story sum, so you have to write the language also to get full marks. 60 kgs is the amount that is left with Mohan. Now we will find out the fraction. We will divide the amount that Mohan is getting with the total grains. So we will get 3 by 5. We can also subtract 2 by 5 from 1. 1 is the whole, 2 by 5 is a fraction. So Mohan is left with 3 by 5th part of the total grains. Have you understood? I hope you have done all the sums right. And you all have got 10 out of 10. If not, don't lose heart. Practice. Watch the video again. Do the practice sum given on the website learnatscholar.com and solve these questions. Before starting the real exercises and solving the questions given in your textbook, I explain the concept. This is very necessary that you learn the basics. Because in your examination, the questions are not fixed. You can get questions from anywhere. If your concepts are clear, if you know the basics, then you will be able to solve all the questions and you will score the best marks. So let's start with the explanation. Farida has a 9 centimeter long ribbon. She cuts it into 4 pieces. Now these are 4 pieces of the ribbon. One piece is equal to 9 by 4. As the ribbon was 9 centimeter long. So one part is equal to 9 by 4. Total number of pieces 4. 4 will come in the denominator and the numerator was 9. So 9 by 4. Each part is equal to 9 by 4. Now each part is again divided into 2 halves. So what is this length? This is half of 9 by 4 because that was 9 by 4 centimeter and this is half of 9 by 4, that means half of 9 by 4 centimeter, right? So half is a fraction, 9 by 4 is a fraction. That means we should know how to multiply a fraction by a fraction. Let's devise the method. Suppose this is a whole. These are 3 parts in a whole. So if we shade one part, it is equal to 1 by 3. If we shade all the parts, each part is equal to 1 by 3, right? So now find out half of 1 by 3. Now I am dividing this portion, this shaded portion, into two equal halves. So each portion is equal to half of 1 by 3. If we name it as A, what is the fraction of this part? Half of 1 by 3, because this shaded portion was 1 by 3. Now this is half. That means half of 1 by 3. Now what is half of 1 by 3? 1 by 2, that means half, it is a fraction. 1 by 3, it is also a fraction. Of means multiplication, that means 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. We have to multiply this fraction by this fraction. Now, if we divide each shaded portion into two equal halves, there are a total of 6 parts. Each part is equal to 1 by 6 because the total parts are 6 that will be written in the denominator. And this is one part. A is the one part. That means A is equal to 1 by 6. That means 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. But 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That means 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 into 1, and 2 into 3 is equal to 1 by 6. What does it indicate? When we multiply two fractions, the result is the product of numerators upon product of denominators. Numerator is multiplied with the numerator and denominator is multiplied with the denominator, and this is the result. Have you got my point? If there is any confusion, any doubt, any query, you can write me a mail on the given mail ID, or you can WhatsApp me on my personal number. Now, when we multiply two whole numbers, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. The product is 6 here. 6 is greater than 2 and 6 is greater than 3. 15 is greater than 3, 15 is greater than 5. That means when we multiply two whole numbers, the product is greater than each of the two whole numbers. Right? Now, take some proper fractions where numerator is less than the denominator. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 is equal to 8 by 15. Now convert all the three in like fractions to find out whether this product is greater than or less than each of these fractions. You will find out that 8 by 15 is less than 2 by 3 and 8 by 15 is less than 4 by 5. Now the second example. Take another pair of proper fractions and multiply. 1 by 5 into 2 by 7. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 5 7 ja 35. That means the result is 2 by 35. Again convert all the three fractions into like fractions with the same denominator. Now you will find out that 2 by 35 is less than 1 by 5 and 2 by 35 is less than 2 by 7. These two examples tell us that the product of two proper fractions is less than each of the fractions that are multiplied. And in whole numbers, the product of the two whole numbers is greater than each of the whole numbers. Now check out with improper fractions. Take two improper fractions, multiply and tell whether the product is less than or greater than each of the fractions. You know that in improper fractions, numerator is greater than denominator. So, two improper fractions are 6 by 5 and 8 by 7. We will multiply both numerators and denominators and find out the product. The result is 48 by 35. Again convert all three fractions into like fractions with the same denominator. What is your observation? Yes. You will find that 48 by 35 is greater than each of the two fractions which were multiplied. Take another example. 7 by 3 and 5 by 2. Multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. You will get 35 by 6. Now find out whether this product is greater than or less than each of the two fractions. Those were improper fractions, right? What is the inference? Yes. When two improper fractions are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the two fractions. Remember all the 3 points: whole number, proper fractions and improper fractions. You will get questions in exams based on these basics. Solutions of the exercise 2.3. First of all, we will solve try these. We have to fill in these boxes. These are very easy questions. If you have understood the concept, you can solve them quickly. 1 into 1 upon 2 into 7. 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 7 is 14. Second one, 1 upon 5 into 1 by 7. Numerator is multiplied with the numerator and denominator is multiplied with the denominator, and we will get 1 into 1 upon 5 into 7 in the first box. In the second box, 1 into 1 is 1, 5 into 7 is 35. The third one, 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 2. In the first box, we will again multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 1 into 1 and 7 into 2. 1 by 14 again. Now, 1 by 7 into 1 by 5, 1 into 1 and 7 into 5. You can see by interchanging the position of the fractions, still we are getting the same result. So, we multiply 5 by 7 or 7 by 5. The result is 35. Multiplying 1 by 2 into 1 by 7 or 1 by 7 into 1 by 2. We will get the same result, 1 by 14. Find 1 by 3 into 4 by 5. We will again multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator and get the result 4 by 15 in the first one and 2 by 15 in the second one. Product of numerators upon product of denominators. Eight by 3 into 4 by 7. 8 4 ja 32 and 7 3 ja 21. Numerator multiplied with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So, the result is 32 by 21. Three by 4 into 2 by 3. Now, we can cut 3 and 3 and 2 2 ja 4. And we will get 1 by 2. Remember one thing, during multiplication, you can cut the numbers if they come in one table. Now, exercise 2.3, first question, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Of means multiplication, that means 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 16. Product of numerators upon product of denominators. This is the way to multiply the fractions. B1, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, 1 by 4 into 3 by 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 4 ja 20, 3 upon 20. Now next 4 by 3, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3, that means 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. 4 are cut and the solution is 1 by 3. Next, 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. 9 7 just 63. 2 by 63 is the answer. B. 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. 1 by 7 into 6 by 5. 6 by 35. Next, 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. 1 by 7 into 3 by 10. 1 3 ja 3. 7 10 ja 70. Next, second question. 2 by 3 into 2, 2 by 3. First of all, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3. So, 8 by 3 and 2 by 3 are multiplied. And we will get 8 2 ja 16 and 3 3 ja 9. Second one, 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. 7 and 7 are cut and we will get 2 by 9 as the answer. Three by 8 into 6 by 4. When we cut or divide by 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Now 3 3 ja 9 and 4 4 ja 16 is the answer, 9 by 16. Next, 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. Numerator with the numerator, 9 3 ja 27 and 5 5 ja 25. (27 by 25). You can convert it into mixed fraction. 1 2 by 25. Next, 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Every improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Now we will solve the fifth one, 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Three 5 ja 15. So the answer is 5 by 8. Next, 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. First of all, you have to see whether you can cut any numbers or not. If not, then multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 11 3 ja 33 and 10 2 ja 20. Converting into mixed fraction, 1 13 by 20. The last part, 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. Now, we can see that no pair of numbers come in one table. That means we have to just multiply the numerator with the numerator, 12 4 ja 48 and denominator with the denominator, 7 5 ja 35. Answer is 1 13 by 35 in the mixed fraction. Question number 3, multiply the following fraction 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. 5 1 by 4 is equal to 21 by 4. 4 as 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 4. 2 2 ja 4, 5 2 ja 10, 21 by 10. Numerator with the numerator 2 and 21 and denominator with the denominator 5 into 2, 5 2 ja 10. 2 1 by 10 is the answer. 6 2 by 5 is equal to 32 by 5. 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. 32 into 7 is 224, 5 9 ja 45. In the mixed fraction it is 4 49 by 45. Next, 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. 5 1 by 3 is equal to 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 by 3. 3 by 2 into 16 by 3, 3 cut, 2 8 ja 16. 8 by 1, that means 8. The whole number is the result. Now 5 by 6 into 2, 3 by 7. 2 3 by 7, 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 by 7. Now 5 by 6 into 17 by 7. Numerator with the numerator, 17 5 ja 85. 7 6 ja 42. 85 by 42. In the mixed fraction, it is 2 1 by 42. 42 2 ja 84, 84 plus 1 is 85. Next part, 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. 3 2 by 5 is equal to 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 by 5. 17 by 5 and 4 by 7 will be multiplied. 17 4 ja 68, 7 5 ja 35. Dividing, we get the mixed fraction as 133 by 35. Next, sixth one, 2 3 by 5 into 3. 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 by 5 into 3. Now 13 3 ja 39, 39 by 5. When we divide both, we get 7 4 by 5. Next, 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. 3 4 by 7 is 7 3 ja 21, 21 plus 4 is 25, 25 by 7 into 3 by 5. 5 5 ja 25, so 5 3 ja 15, 15 upon 7. Converting into mixed fraction, we have 2 1 by 7. 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Question number 4. Which is greater? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8? First of all, find out 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. That means 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. Because of means multiplication. 2 2 ja 4. 3 upon 14. Next, 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 5 5 cancel, 3 by 8. Now converting into like fractions. First of all, find out the LCM of 14 and 8. It is 56. Now convert both the fractions into like fractions with denominator 56 to know which fraction is greater. Three by 14 is multiplied with 4. 3 4 ja 12, 14 4 ja 56. And 3 by 8 is multiplied with 7. 7 3 ja 21, 8 7 ja 56. Clearly, 21 by 56 is greater than 12 by 56. That means 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. Also, if the denominator is more and numerator is same, the fraction with the greater denominator is smaller. Second part, 1 by 2 of 6 by 7. Half into 6 by 7, 2 3 ja 6, 3 by 7. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 3 cancel, 2 by 7. That means denominator is same. They both are like fractions. Clearly 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. That means half of 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Next question is, Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Adjacent means next to each other. So these are 4 saplings. Red line is the garden. The distance between two saplings is 3 by 4 meter. We have to find out the distance between first and the last saplings. That means we have to, yes, add the distances. The distance between two adjacent sapling is 3 by 4 meter. We have to write the language because it is a story sum. The distance between the first and the last sapling is 3 by 4 into 3 or 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. One and the same thing. The result is 9 by 4, 3 3 are 9, 9 by 4. We can convert it into mixed fraction and we can write it as 2 1 by 4 meter. Next question is, Lipika reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Lipika reads 1 3 by 4 hours every day. That means it is the time she spends in reading every day. Total time taken to complete the book will be 6 into 1 3 by 4 because she is spending 1 3 by hours every day and she completes the book in 6 days. So, total number of hours will be given by 6 into 1 3 by 4. We will first convert 1 3 by 4 into improper fraction. 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 4 into 6. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 7 3 ja 21, 21 upon 2 is equal to 10 1 by 2 hours. We will write the answer as the total number of hours taken by Lipika to read the entire book is 10 1 by 2 hours. Question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol? The car consumes 1 liter of petrol to run 16 km. Therefore, it will run x kilometer, consuming 2 by 4 liters of petrol. So, we have to find out the value of x. Using unitary method, 1 liter 16 kilometers. So, 3 by 4 liter will be 16 by 1 into 3 by 4. Now 2 3 by 4 is equal to 11 by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. This is an improper fraction. Now we will multiply this 11 by 4 with 16. 4 4 ja 16, 11 into 4 is 44. So, the car will run or will cover 44 kilometer in 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol. This is the answer. Now, the last question of the exercise, question number 8. Some columns are given, you have to fill the columns with the appropriate fraction. 2 by 3 into dash x upon y is equal to 10 by 30. What will be multiplied with 2 to get 10 and what should be multiplied with 3 to get 30? This is 5 upon 10. Now the fraction is 5 by 10. So in the second part they are asking the simplest form of the number obtained in the column is 5 by 10. That means 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10. That means the simplest form is 1 by 2. Again in the B, first part we have to fill the column with the fraction. 3 by 5 into dash is equal to 24 upon 75. What should be multiplied with 3 to get 24? If we divide 24 by 3, we get the number as, yes, 8. So the value of x by y will be 8 upon 15, but I am solving the whole sum so that you can understand. You can simply divide 75 by 5 and 24 by 3 and get the fraction, or you can assume it x by y, then you can cross multiply it. 3x into 75, 24 into 5y. 225x is equal to 120y. Y will be shifted in the denominator and 225 will be shifted in the denominator on the right hand side. This is also a type of cross multiplication. Y by x, then x by y is equal to 120 upon 225. Reducing the fraction in the lowest term, we will get the exact value of x upon y as 8 by 15. Dividing by 5, we get 24 by 45. Simplifying further, we get 8 by 15. I hope you have well understood, right? You can solve it easily. You can apply this method also. Answer is 8 by 15. Now the simplest form of 8 by 15. It is 8 by 15 as it cannot be simplified further. If we divide a rectangular sheet of 15 by 2 meter into small parts of 3 by 2 centimeter each, then the number of parts are given by 15 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. That means one fraction is divided by another fraction. That means we need to know the way to divide the two fractions. If there are 3 wholes, each whole is divided into 4 parts. Then the total number of parts will be given by 3 divided by 1 by 4 because each part is 1 by 4. Now see, these are 3 wholes, these are 4 parts, 4 parts, 4 parts. If we count all the parts, these are equal to 12. That means 3 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 12. At the same time, 3 into 4 is also 12. 3 4s are 12, right? If we divide one whole into 1 by 2 parts, how many total parts we get? 1 will be divided by half, right? Now in this whole we can see that we are getting 2 parts. That means 1 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 2. But 2 into 1 is also 2. That means if we invert this fraction, that means numerator in the denominator and denominator in the numerator, we get the result, right? That means we are reciprocating the fraction which is dividing this fraction. We are interchanging the position of numerator and denominator and multiplying with the same fraction to get the result of division. Got my point? Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. The reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. If we multiply the reciprocal of 1 by 4, that is 4 by 1, we will get 1. If we multiply the reciprocal of 1 by 7, that is 7 by 1, we will again get 1. That means the non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocals of each other. The reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. The reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3 and so on. If we multiply both these reciprocals, we will get the result 1. Finally, when we are dividing two fractions, this fraction will be reciprocated and multiplied with this fraction. This is one example. 7 by 2 divided by 5 by 8. 7 by 2 into 8 by 5. And this is the result of division. That means this is the answer. Now I am giving you some questions to do in homework. These are 3 questions. Complete in homework and share the result in the comment section. Check your answer with the answers given in the next video. When we divide a whole number by a mixed fraction, the mixed fraction is first converted into improper fractions. Like in this example, when 12 is divided by 2 by 3, this 2 by 3 will be converted into improper fraction 8 by 3. Then this 8 by 3 will be reciprocated like 3 by 8. Then this 3 by 8 will be multiplied with 12. And we will get the result of division, that means the answer. When a fraction is divided by a whole number, like 7 by 8 is divided by 2, that means 2 by 1. If nothing is written in the denominator, we will write 1. So this whole number is converted into fraction. Now we will inverse the fraction, numerator down and denominator up, interchanging the position. Then we will multiply this whole number or the fraction with this fraction. This is the way to divide a fraction by a whole number. When we are dividing a whole number by a fraction, we will reciprocate the fraction and then multiply this reciprocal with this whole number. Do not get confused. Try, practice, and you will be an expert. If you get stuck somewhere, please write to me or connect me on this number. I am here to help you. Now, division of a fraction by a fraction. Same procedure is applied here also. This fraction will be reciprocated and multiplied with this fraction. Here are a few examples. Examples of division of a fraction by a fraction. Number 1 is 5 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. We will convert this fraction. That means we are inversing this fraction and multiplying with 5 upon 4. 5 by 4 into 3 by 2. It was 2 by 3. 5 3 ja 15, 4 2 ja 8. Easy? This is an improper fraction changing into mixed fraction. 1 7 by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Now the second example. 7 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. We will inverse this fraction after division. First of all, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction 15 by 2. Now multiply it by the inverse of 1 by 4, that is 4 by 1. 2 2 ja 4, 15 2 ja 30. Third example is, it is again a mixed fraction. We will convert into improper fraction. 4 1 by 6, 6 4 ja 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 by 6, 2 1 by 9, 9 2 ja 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 by 9. 25 by 6 divided by 19 by 9. Now we will interchange the position of numerator and denominator in 19 by 9. 9 upon 19. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. 25 3 ja 75 and 19 2 ja 38. We will convert this into mixed fraction and we will get 137 by 38. Understood? Now, solution of your exercise 2.4. A proper fraction is that where numerator is less than denominator. Example 7 by 8, 5 by 8, 3 by 4, 9 by 10, etc. If we inverse this, that means the reciprocal of all these fractions are 8 by 7, 8 by 5, 4 by 3 and 10 by 9. You can see that in each of these denominator is less than numerator. That means numerator is greater than denominator. That means they are all improper fraction. So we infer that the reciprocal of A proper fraction cannot be a proper fraction again. Second part is, will the reciprocal of an improper fraction is again an improper fraction? Let's take a few examples. In improper fraction, we know that numerator is greater than denominator. Examples are 10 by 9, 4 by 3, 9 by 5, 3 by 2. Reciprocals are 9 by 10, 3 by 4, 5 by 9 and 2 by 3. What can you observe? Yes, numerator is less than denominator. That means if we reciprocate the improper fraction, the results are proper fractions. We write as the reciprocals of improper fractions are not improper fractions. Now fill the blank spaces. 3 divided by 1 by 2, that means 3 into 2 by 1. 3 into reciprocal of 1 by 2. Similarly, 5 into reciprocal of 2 by 9. 5 into 9 by 2. Now we are dividing the whole number by a fraction. So we will reciprocate the fraction and multiply it with the whole numbers. 7 divided by 2 by 5, that means 7 multiply with 5 by 2. That means 7 5 ja 35 upon 2. Converting into mixed fraction, we get 17 1 by 2. Second, 6 divided by 4 by 7, 6 into 7 by 4. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 7 3 ja 21 upon 2. That means 10 1 by 2. Here 10 is the quotient, 2 is similar, that means 2 is the divisor and 1 is the remainder. 2 10 ja 20 and 1 is the remainder. We will write it as 10 1 by 2. In the third one, 2 divided by 8 upon 9, that means 2 multiplied by 9 by 8. 2 4 ja 8, answer is 9 by 4. We will again convert it into mixed fraction. 2 1 by 4. 2 is the quotient, that means the answer. Try these. The first one, 6 divided by 5 1 by 3. First of all, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 by 3. 6 divided by 16 by 3 or 6 multiplied by 3 upon 16. 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16. 3 3 ja 9 upon 8. When we divide, we will get 1 1 by 8. Second, 7 divided by 2 4 by 7. 2 4 by 7 is equal to 7 to the 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 by 7. 7 multiplied by 7 by 18 is equal to 49 by 18. 2 13 by 18 in the form of mixed fraction. Again try these. 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. 3 by 5 into 2 by 1. 3 2 just 6, 6 by 5. That means 1 1 by 5. Second one is 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. 1 by 2 into 5 by 3. 5 1 ja 5, 3 2 ja 6. That means 5 by 6. Third one, 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. First of all, we will simplify, changing the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5, then 5 by 2 into 5 by 3. 5 5 ja 25, 3 2 ja 6, 25 by 6. Multiplying the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Mixed fraction 4 1 by 6. The last one, 5 1 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. 5 1 by 6 is equal to 31 upon 6. 6 5 ja 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. 31 by 6. Then it is divided by 9 by 2 or multiplied by 3 by 9. 3 2 ja 6. 31 upon 9 3 ja 27. In the form of mixed fraction, it is 1 4 by 27. Here we start the exercise 2.4. 12 divided by 3 upon 4 or 12 multiplied with 4 by 3. 3 4 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. The second one, 14 divided by 5 by 6 or 14 multiplied with 6 upon 5. This is the way to divide. We reciprocate the fraction after the mark of division. 14 6 ja 84, 84 upon 5. Eight divided by 7 upon 3. 8 multiplied with 3 upon 7. 8 3 ja 24, 24 upon 7. Next, 4 divided by 8 upon 3. 4 into 3 by 8, 4 2 ja 8. That means the fraction, answer fraction is 3 by 2. In second, third and fourth, we have got improper fractions as answered. So, we will convert these improper fractions into mixed fraction. 1 1 by 2, 3, 3 by 7, 16, 4 by 5. Fifth one, 3 divided by 2 1 by 3, 2 1 by 3 is equal to 2 3 ja 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 3. That means 3 multiplied with 3 by 7, 3 3 ja 9, 9 by 7. 1 2 by 7 is the answer in mixed fraction. Last one, 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. 3 4 by 7 in the form of improper fraction, 7 3 ja 21. 21 plus 4 is 25, 25 by 7. Now 5 into 7 by 20, 5. 5 5 ja 25, 7 by 5 or 1 2 by 5. Now the second question. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper, improper or whole numbers. The reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Now, when the numerator is greater than denominator, the fraction is called, yes, improper fraction. So, the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is the improper fraction. Fraction is 5 by 8. The reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. Numerator is greater than denominator in the reciprocal, that means the fraction is an improper fraction. Third fraction is 9 by 7. The reciprocal is 7 by 9. This is a proper fraction. Next is 6 by 5. The reciprocal is 5 by 6. This is a proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. Twelve by 7, the reciprocal is 7 by 12, which is a proper fraction. You have to do the sixth one in homework. Complete your homework and submit in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp me. The reciprocal of 1 by 11 is 11. 11 is a whole number. If 1 is written in the denominator, this can be omitted. Question number 3, 7 by 3 divided by 2. 2 is a whole number. We can convert it into fraction as 2 by 1. 7 by 3 into 1 by 2. Three 2 just 6, 7 by 6. Second, 4 by 9 divided by 5. 4 by 9 into 1 by 5. 5 by 1 is inverted or reciprocated to get 1 by 5. 4 1 ja 4, 9 5 ja 45. 4 by 45. Third one is 6 by 13 divided by 7. So 7 by 1 and it is reciprocated to get 1 by 7. It is multiplied with 6 by 13. 6 1 ja 6, 13 7 ja 91. Again the fourth one, 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2 divided by 4. 7 by 2 divided by 4 by 1 or 7 by 2 into 1 by 4. One 4 by 9. Fifth one, 3 1 by 2. 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2 divided by 4. 7 by 2 into 1 by 4. 7 by 8. Four 3 by 7 divided by 7. 4 3 by 7 is equal to 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 3 is 31, 31 by 7 divided by 7 or 7 by 1. So 31 by 7 into 1 by 7 is equal to 31 upon 7 7 ja 49. Last question, question number 4, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. 2 by 5 into 2 by 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 by 5. Second is 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 9 into 3 by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. Answer is 2 by 3. Now the third one. 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. 3 by 7 into 7 by 8, 7 7. Cancelled, 3 by 8 is the answer. Two 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. 3 2 just 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. 7 by 3 into 5 by 3 is equal to 7 5 ja 35 and 3 3 ja 9, 35 by 9. Fifth one, 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. 3 2 just 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. 7 by 2 into 3 by 8. 7 3 ja 21, 8 2 ja 16, 21 upon 16. Do the next one in the same manner. Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and solve by inverting the fraction after division. Two 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 5 multiplied by 5 1 ja 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 5, that means 5 by 6. Five 5 cancel, the answer is 11 by 6. These are some important exam questions. You have to solve this paper and check your knowledge, whether you are well prepared or you need practice. These are some of the important questions. Solve these questions and check your knowledge. If you get 10 out of 10 marks, then it will be an excellent performance. If you get 9 out of 10, it is very good. If you get less than that, then you need practice. Go back, watch the video again and do the practice sums given on the website learnatscholar.com. A few practice sums are given on the website. Link is given in the description box. This is all for today. You will get the answers to the exam questions in the next video. Stay tuned by subscribing the channel. Do not forget to hit the bell and press all. In this way, you will be able to get updated with all the videos, all the knowledge that is uploaded on this channel. Subscription is totally free. You only have to press the red button and share the knowledge with others. We will meet with the next video. Till then, bye-bye.